Hi, I'm Vicki Gonzalez. I'm the CEO of Nexmatics. 70% of U.S. manufacturers use pneumatic systems to make, assemble, and package their products. Pneumatic systems are driven by compressed air, and the DOE estimates these manufacturers spend over $8 billion each year on electricity for compressed air. Nexmatics has created a technology platform that can help these manufacturers reduce their electricity cost and become more competitive worldwide. Our first product is a directional control valve. Now, directional control valves are used throughout the manufacturing process to convert compressed air to mechanical work. So each valve drives a cylinder or an actuator, and conventional valves that are used today cycle anywhere between 10 and 60 times each minute. And every time those valves cycle, all the air in the line is exhausted to atmosphere. This is one reason why pneumatic systems have an efficiency of less than 20%. Nexmatics directional control valves use a modified body and spool to recycle that compressed air. So our valves actually reduce compressed air between 10 and 45%. This translates to savings directly on the bottom line in their electric bill, and our valves are cost competitive. So industrial pneumatics is a very large and mature industry, with directional control valves contributing more than $1 billion in the U.S. and Europe. Competition are companies like Festo, SMC, Parker Hannifin, whose market share growth over the last 10 years have come from acquisition and price cutting rather than innovation. Nexmatics is well positioned to introduce the next generation of pneumatics. Our directional control valves have been tested in 3 outside independent labs, including Oak Ridge National Lab. And we're currently working with a half a dozen large corporations who are committed to energy reduction. So these are companies like General Mills, Briggs & Stratton, Continental Tire, and Anchor Packaging. In fact, we tested our valves at Briggs & Stratton and measured a 28.9% reduction in compressed air used. With that, Briggs has recently placed their first order with a plan to replace valves on one of their assembly lines. So Nexmatics has an exclusive worldwide license from Vanderbilt University for the core technology. The patent has been granted in Europe, the U.S., Canada, and Japan. We've filed 5 additional patents and 2 provisional patents. And the newest patents give us entree into broader markets and higher pricing, and more importantly, allows us to go into what we'd call smart valve technology. We'll be able to provide relevant data about the pneumatic system, like whether it's time to replace a valve or a cylinder, whether their lines have leaks, or whether the pressure in the system is stable. All this valuable data is used to reduce maintenance costs, downtime, and improve efficiency. So please consider selecting Nexmatics for the Clean Energy Trust and help us get the word out. Our vision is to make Nexmatics' energy-efficient platform the next generation of pneumatics.